I hope you all are doing great. So today I am here with the comparison of Shein and Romwe, two of the biggest international websites. Like I had ordered the products on the same day and like I did all the things at the same time so that I can exactly compare both of them. The prices, they are quite reasonable, which makes it a very attractive site. But I was not sure because it is international shipping and we are not sure whether we'll get the product or not, or maybe we'll get the product after 2 months or so. My previous experience, I hadn't ordered any garments, but I had ordered makeup which I got like after 2 months. So I was not sure what would happen, but it was amazing. I received my order within a week of placing the order. I had placed my order on 6th and I received the products from Shein on 13th and from Romwe on 14th. Can you imagine it, guys? Within a week I am getting shipments from international sites. Okay, so here's the disclaimer. Both Shein and Romwe are US based sites. The products that you'll be receiving are not coming from US. It is shipped from Hong Kong. You'll find it in the tracking ID. First, you'll think about the quality, but I can assure you guys, it's amazing. So without any further ado, let's get into what I have bought. Start with Shein first. So the thing is, when you order for the first time, there's a $3 discount on Shein and there's like 60% discount on Romwe if you order for the first time. But my bill for Romwe was more than that of Shein. So you can guess that Shein is more reasonable price. Number of things I bought from Romwe, that is also more, but what I felt is that Shein is a more reasonable site. I think some of the products are a bit costlier at Romwe, the same products, right? And quality of both are amazing. So let's begin. Black is my favorite color to wear because black looks good on everybody. I got two black tops, the first of which is this. I'll convert the price and mention it on the screen, so check that out. So I had seen a similar top at H&M, but I think this transparency was great. It is not too sheer, but just the exact amount of transparency you will want. And the next black top that I got from Shein is this one. The embroidery is awesome, though these straps are a bit flimsy. I don't trust the straps. You can wear something beneath it so that it is not the only thing supporting the dress. But the embroidery and the velvet is, oh my god, it's so gorgeous. And you get a velvet choker with it too. So yeah. This was my second black top. Then I bought a bralette from Shein. And this fits amazing. I just love the fit of all the things that I got, and all the tops or anything that I bought was in size L. I'll mention in the description box, but still for the information, everything is size L. I didn't want to take a risk, and means if it's loose you can still wear, but if it's tight you can't. So I have ordered everything in size L just for a reference, and you have seen I'm not a lean person. The third top that I got from Shein is this beautiful piece. Just look at the embroidery. Isn't it amazing? And I had seen an exact top at Zara at obviously much higher cost. To be truthful, the quality differs. Obviously it's much more comfortable and the quality is always amazing in the original things, but the look is exactly similar, and for me it's okay if I have to pay a few bucks less and I can trade off on the quality side, because anyway I won't use it for many years. I get bored with the same top after many years. So if I had to trade off a bit on the quality, it's okay for me, but the designs are exact duplicates of the higher brands, so for me it is awesome. The next thing I got from Shein is this white top. It is very elegant and the embroidery, as you can see, is amazing. And the material is so fine. So that's my haul from Shein. Now let's move on to Romwe. I got just one top from Romwe, crisscross neck top. I hope you can make that out, the crisscross thing. Next I got this culotte. So even this is an exact duplicate of a Zara culotte, and as usual the quality you will have to trade off a bit, but the look is exactly similar. The next is a sort of legging with the same embroidery work. Looks so pretty. So it's not jeggings also, it's a simple leggings. So these were the clothes that I bought from there. The others are accessories. So first is this cute denim hairband. How cute is it? I just love it. Next are these thigh-high socks. Well, these look great with the t-shirt dresses and I love them, but you mostly don't get it in India. It looks so chic and trendy, I just can't explain. And the last two things that I got from Romwe are these two necklaces. Both are layered necklaces. One is golden, one is silver, but they got entangled so much and I don't have the time now to detangle it and show you guys. I'll insert a picture though with the price. So that's it guys. That's all the things that I got from Shein and Romwe. So there's a try-on lookbook or haul, try-on lookbook or haul. So to see how the garments look on me, please stay tuned and hit the notification bell. Till next time, bye!